Imagine this. You're standing in front of a crowd, your heart racing, palms sweating, and your mind screaming, "What if I mess up?" Fear. The fear of failing, of looking silly. But what if I told you everyone feels that way at some point? And what if I told you that you can stop being afraid and start feeling confident, no matter what? We all face fear, whether it's a job interview, asking for a raise, or even talking to someone new. It's totally normal to feel scared. But here's the thing. Confidence doesn't just happen overnight. It's something you can build. It's like learning to ride a bike. You practice, and soon enough, you're riding with confidence. So, how do you build that confidence? Well, it starts with how you talk to yourself. How many times have you caught yourself thinking, "I can't do this," or "I'm not good enough"? It's time to flip that script. Start saying, "I can do this," and "I am enough." Every positive thought is like watering a plant, helping your confidence grow little by little. Then, you need to take action. Do you think the most confident people were born that way? No way. They became confident by doing things, even when they were scared. They kept taking steps forward, even when they weren't sure. So, if you're scared to take that first step, remember, confidence comes from action. The more you try, the more you improve, and the more confident you become. And here's something surprising. Confidence isn't about being perfect. No one is perfect, and that's okay. The real secret is embracing mistakes. When you mess up, instead of thinking, "I failed," think, "I learned." Every mistake is a lesson, and those lessons build confidence. But here's the kicker. You need to keep pushing yourself. Step out of your comfort zone, even when it feels uncomfortable. Every time you do, you grow stronger, and soon, you'll be doing things you never thought possible. So here's my challenge to you. Start small. Change how you talk to yourself. Take action, even when you're afraid. And remember, every mistake is just a lesson. Keep this up, and before long, you won't just have confidence. You'll be unstoppable. If you want more tips on how to build confidence and create the life you deserve, hit that subscribe button. Your future self will thank you for taking action today.